Famous Indian actresses and their favorite IPL teams. Deepika Padukone RCB, Anushka Sharma RCB. Next, Katrina Kaif Chennai Super Kings, Shraddha Kapoor Mumbai Indians. Next, Priyanka Chopra Chennai Super Kings, Alia Bhatt Kolkata Knight Riders. Next, Jacqueline Fernandez Mumbai Indians, Tapasi Pannu Delhi Capitals. Next, Praniti Chopra Mumbai Indians, Sonakshi Sharma Kolkata Knight Riders. Next, Disha Patani Chennai Super Kings, Malaika Arora Kolkata Knight Riders. Next, Sara Ali Khan Mumbai Indians, Nusrat Bharucha Rajasthan Royals. Kirti Sanon RCB, Yami Gautam Delhi Capitals. Next, Rakulpreet Singh Sunrisers, Tamanna Bhatia Sunrisers. Next, Rashmika Mandana RCB, Samantha Ruth Prabhu Sunrisers. Next, Pooja Hegde Chennai Super Kings, Kajal Agarwal Chennai Super Kings. Next, Hansika Motwani Mumbai Indians, Nayanthara Chennai Super Kings. Next, Shruti Hassan Sunrisers, Trisha Krishnan Chennai Super Kings. Next, Sai Pallavi RCB, Kirti Suresh Chennai Super Kings. Next, Anupama Parmeshwaran Sunrisers, Ritika Chande Mumbai Indians. Next, Meera Jasmine Chennai Super Kings, Rashi Khanna Sunrisers. Next, Aditi Rao Haidari Delhi Capitals, Manushi Chillar Mumbai Indians. Thanks for watching my channel.